There's no so many times I could say record video. It doesn't pick up my pronunciation. Maybe I'll slur my words. Anyway. Lovely jubbly. Nice coffee, nice view. Let's take a walk over here, guys. See if you can pick up me over here. Follow me. Come over to the castle. This is an indirect. I don't know why I'm shouting. I don't need to shout. This is an indirect audio test. So let's be careful not to walk over to the edge. I haven't got my head torch on. So this is sort of free moving around. So let's move over to the right. My right, your left. Move over to here. Let's move over here, guys. See if you can pick me up. Let's look at the view over here. See if you can hear me. Because of the light from the castle, obviously I can see all this bit here. I've got my head torch here just in case it is. There you go. Let's see if you can pick up. There's like a metal sign there. Maybe it clipped a little bit. So this is like an indirect audio test. I'm going to start the video again so I can put this up as a audio test. So please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.